Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about systems development and management, assessing system feasibility, and in-house versus proprietary software. After the creation of the MIS plan, we now go to the development of the computer-based information system. But before that, let us first discuss the 5 stages of the system life cycle. The first stage is the conception stage. Conception stage happens when somebody in the organization comes up with an idea for a new system. Next in the stack is the development stage. The idea is pursued by a project team, reviews the existing system, current policies, and information needs of the organization. The project team, together with the management team, determines the feasibility of the idea and designs a new system and creates the software based on their findings. The birth stage is where the new system is deployed for the organization to use. Next is the production stage. This stage is where the organization is actually using the new system. Adjustments, refinements, and maintenance work may happen in this stage. This happens because of changes in policies and updates within and outside the organization. The last stage is the death stage. This happens because the system cannot keep up with the requirements of the organization, and the work needed to maintain and update the system becomes expensive to do. And because it is a cycle, the process repeats. It is the management team's responsibility to assess if the proposed system is feasible. Two things are considered to determine the proposed system's feasibility. Technological feasibility. This answers the question if the organization has the tools and the human resources with the right skill sets or the necessary training to develop the new system. Economic feasibility. This answers the question if the organization has the economic means or how much they are willing to allocate to pursue the project. The proponents must be able to justify that the benefits outweighs the cost of the project. Because the truth is, developing systems does not come cheap. Which comes to an important point on why not use a proprietary software so there is no need to develop a new one. Besides, it saves time and headache from creating a new one. The management team must determine if the software is exactly what they require. They may be paying for 10 features of the software but is only using one. Or they need to customize or extend the software, and that process becomes very difficult and costly and end up paying for a software they cannot use. In the case of developing an in-house system, the proponents must justify the time and cost needed to develop a new system compared to a proprietary software which is already available. What if development takes years and by the time the software is done, the requirements have already changed? Or do they have a competent project team to develop their system? This question should have been answered when they did the technological feasibility. The management team, together with the project team, must be diligent in determining the cost and benefits of their options. They must ask the right questions and have the proper metrics so they will come out with an informed decision, because a miscalculation on their part may lead them to losing their competitive advantage in their business.